Hello dear students, I am Ashok, Maths faculty in GPS English Medium School, Gudagorji. Now today we will discuss about chapter number 16 of class 10. Name of this chapter is surface area and volume. In this chapter, first we will discuss about cube. Cube, which is a three-dimensional shape, and this cube is 12 edges, 8 vertex and 6 faces. Okay, each face is in a square shape. Then if we find the area or total surface area of cube, then if cube having 6 surface or 6 faces, one face is in the shape of square shape, area of one square is side square, then area of 6 faces is equal to 6 into side square. Then we can say total surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square, because area of one face is side square and cube having 6 faces. Diagram or figure of cube you can understand from here. This square is A, B, C, D. P, Q, R, S. This figure is the rough sketch of cube. In this cube, 6 faces. First is A, B, Q, P. Another is D, C, R, S. Second completed. Third is A, P, C, D. Fourth is B, Q, R, C. Fifth back part A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. Total 6 faces. Okay, then total surface area is equal to 6 into side square. Volume of cube is equal to side cube. Volume of cube is equal to side cube, and diagonal of cube is equal to under root 3 into side. In offline classes, we will discuss about the formula of diagonal, derivation of the formula of diagonal. In this cube, diagonal is AC, or we can say BS. This point is the center point of cube, or we can say gravitation center of cube is this point, and we call this point is O. Okay, formulas of cube, TSA, volume and diagonal completed. Now next, second is cuboid. In cuboid, we can say each face is in a rectangle shape, A, B, C, D, and another is P, Q, R, S. A to P, B to Q, C to R and D to S. Then this figure is the rough sketch of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. RS is length, DS is breadth and this PS is height. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, means area of base is length into breadth, and area of top is also length into breadth. Then area of base and top is 2 multiply length into breadth plus. Now area of front face L into H, area of side face is B into H. Side face and this side face, both side faces are same. Then we can say area of side faces is equal to 2 multiply B into H, and back part or front part area of these both part is equal to 2 multiply h into L. Here we can take 2 common, then LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, this is the formula of TSA of cuboid. Now next is volume of cuboid. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, and diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now for cube and cuboid, we can say one common formula of the volume of cube and cuboid is volume is equal to area of base multiply height. Area of base multiply height. Okay, now all formulas are completed of cube and cuboid. Now we will solve question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 16.1. First question is, listen carefully. A cuboid is 12 cm long, 9 cm wide and 5 cm high. A cuboid means in this cuboid length, breadth and height is given. Find the total surface area and volume of cuboid. Solution first. In solution first, total surface area of cuboid is equal to, formula of the total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then 2 into L means 12 multiply B means 9 plus B 9 into H5 plus H5 into L 12. Then 2 into 12 lines are 108. You can solve 9 5 ja 45 plus 12 5 ja 60. 5 odd mass rule, first solve bracket, then 60 40 100 200 208 plus 5 213. 213 multiply by 2 means 426 square centimeter. 426 square centimeter is the total surface area of cuboid. You can solve again 100, 140, 200, 208 plus 5 213. Double of 213 is 426 square centimeter is the total surface area of cuboid. Now volume of this cuboid. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is 12, breadth 9 and height 5. Okay, then 12 5 ja 60. 60 multiply by 9, it means 540. In volume cubic centimeter and in area square centimeter. Question number 1 completed. Now next question is second question. Second question is 3 cubes whose edges measure 8 cm, 6 cm and 1 cm respectively melted to form a new cube. Means 3 cubes whose edges are given, first 8, second 6 and third 1 cm respectively, melted to form a new cube. Then melt these 3 cubes and make a new cube. Then find the surface area of new cube so formed. Means we can say volume of first cube plus volume of second cube plus volume of third cube. It means total volume of these 3 cubes is equal to volume of new cube. Then volume of new cube is equal to volume of first cube plus volume of second cube plus volume of third cube. Volume of new cube is equal to volume of new cube is equal to volume first side cube. It means cube of 8 plus cube of 6 for volume of second cube and volume of third cube, it means 1 cube. 8 cube means 512, 6 cube means 216 plus 1 cube means 1. 500 to 700, 728 plus 1, 729. It means volume of new cube is equal to 729. Now we want the surface area of new cube. If we want the surface area of new cube, then first find the value of side of this cube. Volume is equal to side of new cube is equal to 729. Then side is equal to cube root of 729 is 9 centimeter. Then total surface area of new cube, it means TSA. TSA of new cube is equal to 6 into side square. Formula of the TSA of cube is equal to 6 into side square. 6 multiplies side is 9, square of 9 is 81. Then after multiplication, 6 1 ja 6, 6 8 ja 48, 486 square centimeter. This is the solution of second question. Now next question is question number 3. Next question is question number 3. The dimensions of the box are 50 cm into 36 cm into 25 cm. How much square centimeter? Square centimeter, it means we want the area. How much square centimeter cloth will be required for making the cover of this box? We want the cover of this box, and this box is in cuboidal shape. Length, breadth and height is given. Then area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into L means 50, multiply B means 36, plus B 36 multiply 25, plus 25 multiply by 50. Okay, 2 into 5 6 are 30, 0 carry 3, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18 and 1 0, 1800 plus after multiplication of this part 25 6 are 150, 0 carry 15, 25 3 are 75, 75 plus 15 is equal to 90. It means 900 plus 25 5 are 125 after 0. Solution of this part is 18 plus 9 27, 27 plus 12 39 after 50. It means 2 multiply by 3950. Then after solution this value is 7900 square centimeter. Then we can say 7900 square centimeter cloth will be required for making the cover of this box. You can write this statement here. Okay, in exercise 16.1 question number 1, 2 and 3 completed. Now next questions are in next lecture. Okay.